The Suretouch system must be pointed with Suretouch mortar. Other mortars are not suitable and can alter the performance of the Suretouch system. Before you inject the mortar, you must take several factors into consideration. All units must be solidly installed. All spaces, nails, or other items must be removed. All weepers must be carefully installed. The temperature must be moderate, namely between 5 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Outside this range, the performance of the mortar will not be optimal. You risk having more cracks in the mortar than normal. We recommend that you complete one entire wall section in a single day so as not to create differences in mortar color. It must not have rained the day before you inject the mortar. The mortar must not freeze during the next 4 to 5 days, since this will cause more cracks than usual. Mortar has almost the same properties as concrete. It must cure slowly and with a great deal of humidity. Drying mortar too quickly can cause more cracks than usual. All of the other elements of the house must be protected adequately, such as windows, door frames, the shingles on a roof, etc.